Gary Craig, the founder of EFT, once said that the greatest problem we face as human beings is separation, us versus them. And I think one of the most profound symbols of that is this, the Berlin Wall. I'm here in front of the remnants of the wall in Berlin. And let's do some tapping around that. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I feel separation, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I feel separation, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I feel separation, sometimes it's something that I want. Sometimes it feels forced on me. But at some level, it's always painful. And even though I feel this pain of separation, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved. All this pain of separation. All this pain of separation. This pain of being separated from other people. Sometimes it feels forced upon me. It feels like there's nothing I can do about it. And other times I might create it. Because as painful as it is, part of me says it's safer. And sometimes I might create separation from some people in order to feel more attached to other people. In order to form a stronger bond with some people, I feel a need to alienate other people. Not because I'm a bad person, but because I'm programmed to do that. But it still hurts. And I choose to process that pain. All this need for us versus them. I choose to process this. At an energetic level, we're all connected. I choose to find that common bond. Because I can't hurt someone else without hurting myself. And when I create separation, I'm creating separation within me. Now, there are definitely times where I need to put some distance between me and some other people for my own well-being. When people are legitimately harmful to me, I'm allowing myself to create a safe distance. And at the same time, I choose to feel as much peace as I can. I choose to feel as much love as I can. I choose to heal inside and release what doesn't feel like peace. I choose to release what doesn't feel like love. I can still practice really good self-care while allowing myself to feel more love inside. Allowing myself to heal the pain of separation. So that I can feel more peace and love in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Let it go. And lather, rinse, repeat as necessary, giving yourself permission to clear what doesn't feel like peace, what doesn't feel like love. Still absolutely practicing good self-care and not putting yourself in harm's way, but being able to heal as much of that pain inside as possible. And that creates a space where we can, pull together and experience more peace and harmony. Please and thank you. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you. Thanks.